is an honor to stand before you today as a proud graduate of the Kolehiyo ng Luzon na Lipa, where I not only earned my degree but also carried with the lessons, values, and experiences that shape who I am today. I still remember the long nights and studying, the challenges that tested my determination, and the moments of success that made all hard work worth it. Graduating summa cum laude was not just a personal achievement, it was demonstrated perseverance, passion, unwavering support of my mentors and peers. But beyond the medals, certificates, and honors, what truly matters is the journey. It is the growth we experience when we fail and choose to rise again. It is the courage to keep going even path ahead seems uncertain. It is the commitment to our goals and the heart to serve others along the way. To all students and future graduates here today, I want to tell you that this my dream are valid, no matter what you come from or what challenges you face. You have the power to turn aspiration into reality. Success is not only about being the best, but about being consistent, dedicated, and true to purpose. Use my stumble, you fall, never stop believing in yourself. There were times I doubted myself, moments I thought giving up, but this keep going was the reason why I started become a teacher who inspires, who uplifts, and who gives back. The purpose we gave, the light, I hope each you finds your own light, your own reason that will push you forward. As you continue your journey, be proud who you are, honor those who help you get home, and never forget my pay it forward. Be the kind of person who lifts others as you rise. The world needs compassionate leaders, passionate educators, and determined individuals just like you. Thank you and may journey be filled with purpose, growth, and endless possibility. Thank you.